Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. I wanted to quickly touch on a anti-flipping tax. Okay, so what this is addressing is if you have owned a property for 365 days or less and you sell the property and you make a profit, with this new rule, you will be paying income tax on the entire profit. Okay, so previous to this rule, what was different? There was something called capital gains. So on 50% of the profit, you would have paid your income tax rate. Okay, now the entire profit will be looked at as income and you will pay your income tax rate on the entire profit. Now, with any rule, there's always exceptions. This is what I really wanted to address because this causes some worries. Because what if something happens? It wasn't my fault. Will I get taxed? Well, no, there are exceptions. The key word that you're going to find here is going to be intention. If you can prove to CRA that their intention was different. It wasn't to buy it and flip it and make money, but something had happened. So I'll give you a couple examples. Let's say there was a death. Let's say there was the opposite. There was an addition to the household. So for example, you were single, got the condo, got married. Or there was a child that was being born and you needed more space, and that happened within the 365 days, which made you then sell the property. You should not be penalized for the profit that you make. Okay. What if there was the opposite of that, a breakdown of a relationship? Let's say there was a divorce. What if there's a safety issue? So let's say there's some sort of threat to personal safety, domestic situation, any serious illness or disability, things like that are definitely going to be exceptions. If there was a work relocation or termination and insolvency. So again, I think the key word to this rule and exceptions is intention. The government is trying to kind of calm down and discourage the investors who are buying and flipping just to make profits. If it happens and that was not your intention, you are likely an exception to this rule. Any questions, as always, we're here. Would love to hear from you. Thank you.